In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the top 3 reasons why people are leaving eXp. So if you want to find out and avoid these costly mistakes in your real estate business, stay tuned. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Andrew Dunn, and over the last few years, I've helped sell billions in real estate for agents, brokers, team leaders all over North America. And along with my partner, we sell homes in Boca Raton in Florida, and we've also helped over 100 agents cross $100,000 and up in GCI with our coaching and inside of our eXp organization. So everything you're learning here is actually through practice and not through theory. So in today's video, we're actually going to be discussing the top 3 reasons why people join the amazing brokerage of eXp and then leave. Why are they leaving if it's so amazing, right? So let's break this down. There's actually 3 core elements that we see. The first one, I'm not going to lie, is the biggest. So let's dive in. So the third top reason is actually the tech side, more specifically SkySlope. It's a little bit clunky. It's a little bit glitchy. It gets the job done. It's not that amazing, but ultimately, it can do its job. Now, also the whole virtual environment can be a bit of a struggle for people that aren't that tech inclined. So that is something you want to bear in mind. If you aren't that tech inclined and you're not trying to evolve, I guess, with the more modern times, then eXp might not be the best fit for you. So the second top reason why people leave is actually just a terrible onboarding experience. And this actually ties into the first one that I'll reveal in a minute. The thing about eXp is because you get sponsored in by someone, basically it is their responsibility to make sure your onboarding is smooth. They should be giving you a full training basically on how to go through the world, how to set everything up. eXp obviously has its own help, but your sponsor is really the one who's responsible for making sure you have a solid onboarding into the company. You get yourself up and running quickly and you get out there and you start smashing deals. They give you all the training you require, everything else you require to be successful, to grow your business, or anything additional that you might need in your specific case. So the top reason that people are leaving eXp is, drumroll please, your sponsor. A lot of people align themselves with the wrong sponsor. And this can be for many reasons. They might just not have thought about it when they first got in, right? They might have aligned themselves with someone who didn't fulfill on their promises. One of the bigger ones actually is that they align themselves with someone's that strategies don't align with how they want to do business. So for example, if you wanted to align yourselves with Agent Maverick or the Maverick team at eXp with me and Peter, we focus on social strategies for growing your business. This is because it builds ultimate leverage in your business. So you can be out there just basically closing deals and the lead generation is done essentially on autopilot for you. But if you are more of I want to do, open houses, cold calling, door knocking, networking events, we would be the wrong sponsor for you. You need to align yourself with someone that actually can help you achieve your goals in your way. And it could be something so super specific, like you want to align yourself with a sponsor who, you're a mum of 4 and she's a mum of 4 and she's helping agents scale. That might be better for you because she understands your situation better. So the sponsor is a massive one to think about. And this is really, out of all of the ones we've covered, this is the one that's going to predicate success, because if you have a great sponsor, you will have a great onboarding. If you have a great onboarding, the tech side will not be a big struggle because they will walk you through how to achieve everything you want to achieve. All right. So if you're interested in aligning with me and my partner at eXp, there is a link down below for agentmaverick.com, or just go to agentmaverick.com. We would love to have a conversation with you about helping you achieve your goals and joining our team at eXp. That's all for today's video, and we will see you in the next one.